In order to get the most out of SmartSuite, you have to first understand the structure of the various elements inside of the tool. So if that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. SmartSuite Structure isn't all that difficult to understand, and we're going to be breaking it down in this training. The first step is to understand what a solution is. Every single one of the icons on my screen here represents its own solution. This is an hourly consulting solution, for example. This is meeting notes. This one is resource planning. You'll notice that every solution has not only its own color, but also an icon that helps as an indication of what type of information will live inside of that solution. A solution is merely a collection of apps. So if we drill into a particular solution, let's say hourly consulting, inside of this solution, we see a number of different tabs or apps inside here. Each one of these represents a collection of data inside of the tool. So for my hourly consulting solution, I have consultants that relate to consultations, then payables, and also invoices. In this particular solution, these are the 4 apps, but I can add new apps by simply creating a new app here. Inside of each app, upon first glance, it looks like a spreadsheet. We have rows and columns. Well, inside of an app, we don't call them rows and columns. Instead, they are fields, field being a column. And instead of saying row, we have records. So every new entry here inside of the app is a record that has information across the various fields. So in this particular case, there's the name, the user, and the personal calendar schedule. Every app is going to have its own fields, and you can choose which fields you actually want to display. For example, I might want to see when a record was first created. I simply add that over to the selected fields, and now I have new information on each of these records. Here's a visual of the different elements inside of SmartSuite. We see that we start at the solution level. Inside of a solution, we would have one or more app. Every app will consist of one or more records, and every record will consist of multiple fields. Hopefully this makes more sense. As you work more inside of SmartSuite, you'll quickly come to see how this kind of a structure allows you to build really powerful apps and solutions inside of the tool. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.